Hi, welcome to Passions.
Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing another do-it-yourself project on how I will organize and set up my new vanity set. So if you are interested, then keep on watching.
I bought this vanity set from eBay for $98.77, and that includes shipping. And just on the side note, for years, I have never thought of buying a vanity set because my skincare regimen was more simpler then. Now that I'm older, my face needs more TLC and my skincare routine has become more tedious. That's why I needed a place to sit down, and so I decided to get a vanity set. For this DIY, I had the pleasure of getting help from my two boys in setting up the vanity set, so this became a family project.
Okay. Well, Mom wants us to do the thing, and then we're just
Show
showing
your
our
face.
freaking faces.
Show your face. Say hi. Yeah. Say hi.
Howdy.
Wow, you're freaking weird. Anyway, so this is a shout out to myself. My name's Gian. This is my brother Lashley.
Okay, you just focus on the thing.
Dude.
So in this tiny little corner here is where I plan to put the vanity set. I had to measure the area and purchase a set that would fit in here, and I was lucky to find one. The box comes with an instruction sheet that shows how to assemble the set. Then we assembled the set and started with the table first. While me and my youngest son were busy with the table, my eldest son is now starting on the stool. This is now the vanity table all done. Thank you, boys. I will now set up the lights. It is dark in this corner, so I bought this LED mirror lights for $20 at eBay as well. To set up the lights, I just followed the instructions on the manual it came with. This is now the vanity set all done. Now it's time to organize. To organize and make my vanity area look nicer, I found these cute little items from the Dollar Tree. I got this cute little placemat to protect my table from scratches. I was also happy to find these baskets or trays that was just the exact fit for the drawers. And to add some charm to this area, I got these frames also from the Dollar Tree and made that simple wreath above. I also bought a frame so I can hang my youngest son's art project when he was still in grade school, which, by the way, is this channel's logo. I also got this brush dryer hanger at eBay for $5.98. This vanity table has 4 drawers, 2 small ones right here on top, and 2 bigger drawers down here below. It's really a small vanity table, but it's pretty sturdy and this works for me because it fits the spot where I want it to be. I just placed my other beauty and skincare stuff on the double vanity sink area. And this is now how my new vanity area looks like. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this channel. Please check out my other videos and hope to see you on my next one. Have a blessed day!